Ready to learn how to master the art of the perfect smile for photos? Let's start with the basics. It's all about engaging the right muscles. Think about it, a genuine smile lights up your eyes, crinkling the skin on the side of your eyes, aka crow's feet. Avoid forcing a smile it usually looks unnatural. Try a wider, more natural smile for a more appealing shot. See the difference? Practice makes perfect. Look in a mirror and experiment with different expressions. Try gently raising your cheeks as if you're genuinely laughing. You can also try a slight, confident smile. This conveys approachability and warmth without being overly enthusiastic. Subtle adjustments matter. Slightly tilt your head or shift your weight to create a more dynamic pose. Now, for the main trick, before the photo is taken, think of something that makes you happy. This will naturally influence a genuine smile. And remember, the key is not just the smile, but the expression in your eyes. Let your happiness shine through. Now, go out there and take some amazing pictures.